Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase Snapchat score very fast. With this simple and easy method you can get a lot of Snapchat score in seconds or a minute. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now check the list, is there is any update available for Snapchat. If there is, then update Snapchat first. Now force close the App Store and launch Snapchat. First of all, let me show you my score. I have just 64. Now I'm going to show you how to increase. Now select multi-snap and tap this plus button. Now tap edit and send. Now tap send to and search for any celebrities. If you don't have, then select your contacts. Select as much as you can. After selecting, tap send. Now we have to wait for seconds. Now force close the Snapchat app, wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, then launch Snapchat again. Now tap on profile icon and you have 100. Before I have a 64 and you can see now I have 100. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.